Hi students, I am starting microcontroller and embedded system laboratory. In this video we are going to see about experiment 1. Before starting the program, we must know assembly directives. Assembly directives are not instructions, they allocate space and define types in many cases. They are used to provide key information for assembly language. There are many assembly directives which normally we use in the program. First one, area. It makes a new block of data or code. Entry, it declares entry point where the program execution starts. Align, it used to align the data or code to a particular memory boundary. Next, DCB, it allocates 8 bits of data. DCW, it allocates 16 bits of data. DCD, it allocates 32 bits of data. Then space, it allocates a zeroed block of memory with a particular size. Then EQU, it is nothing but equal to only, it allocates a constant value. Then RN is used to name the register. Then import and export. So these declares a symbol to make the referable by one source file. Then PROC, this is start of procedure, NP, end of procedure, end of source file. Okay. Now the first program. The program is write a program to multiply two 16-bit binary numbers. Okay. So here the concept is two 16-bit numbers we are going to take and we will multiply that. So data 1 which I assumed here is 0002H hexa value. This is 16-bit data. Second 16-bit data is 0004. Then I will multiply these two. When we multiply these two data, we will get 0008. Okay. So for this we are going to write a program. Always at the start of the program we have to include the area directive which we have seen. Area is the first directive we have to include. After followed by session name we can give. So means a program name we can give. So this is multiply program. So I have taken multiply. After that we have to specify the type of memory, whether it is code memory or data memory or stack memory. There are three types of memory. So this is program. So all the program codes will be saved in code memory. So after the session name we have to write the memory type of memory. Here it is code memory. After that we have to specify which type of memory is that. Code memory is read only memory or read write memory. Code memory is always read only memory. Okay. So this will be the first line for all the programs. Next, entry. So this is it makes the entry point for the execution. Then our program starts. After the entry we have to start the program. Move R1 comma hash 0002. So this is my first data. I am moving to R1 register. So after the execution of this instruction, R1 will be 0002. Then I have to move the second data. So I can use some other register. So here I used R2 register. Move R2 comma hash 0004. So 0004 is moved to R2 register. After the execution of this instruction, we can find 0004 in R2 register. Then I should my two data are ready. I can multiply that. So instruction is MUL. In MUL, operands are 3. So there should be 3 operands. 2 operands to hold the data. Third operand to store the result. So here I have taken 3 operands R3, R1, R2. R1 and R2 are holding the data 1 and data 2. R3 register is used to store the multiplication result. Okay. So after the execution, R3 will be having the result of multiplication. So here we will multiply R1 and R2. 2 and 4 will be multiplied. The result 0008 is stored in R3 register. Okay. So in the execution part, we can find the result R0008 in the R3 register. Actually, this R3 register is 32-bit register. So multiplication result is 32. So then this is half word. So next half word will be 0000. Next is NOP. This is no operation. Then we can end the source file. Okay. Now we can see the execution part in the next video. Thank you.